my face.
Where are we going?
We're at the airport right now. But we're just going to Texas.
Who are we going to see?
Korbin.
Korbin. Okay, let's go. Got this janky thing with one wheel.
No, the ghetto.
This is how our morning's going. So far, it's going great. Love it. Awesome. Get it? Yep, you got it. It's good. We just ain't had our coffee yet. God dang. Here, just put this around you. Oh wait, we have to have masks on. I forgot. Oh shoot, let's do this.
Okay.
Put our mask on. Look at my freaking hair.
God.
Why is this so difficult? You're gonna yell at me probably.
You're getting fogged.
Okay.
Are you talking about it?
I'm just trying to put my mask on. Okay. So we are in very, very, very West Texas.
Rural.
Yeah. And we are with Korbin from Korbin's Archery. It's my bow shop. And he invited us down to just come hog hunt. We're gonna do some thermal hunts tonight. And then we're gonna try with our bow the next 2 days just to see how it goes. But it's super hot, like well over 100 degrees, sometimes like 120 degrees. So pigs aren't really moving a whole lot during the day. So he said we're just gonna have fun with it tonight, go with thermals and just see what happens. Pick your poison.
It is poison.
Got the rigged out Suburban.
Show the inside setup.
So we got this like panel up here. You can just pop this out. We're gonna stick a gun up on top and shoot them.
Transmitter battery. Alright, she should be ready to set up.
So this is a Ronin. It's like the camera Ronin. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a different brand?
No, it is DJI, but
Yeah, it's a Ronin.
I know it can handle a Ronin yet on there.
Is this the same one as last time?
No, we got a different demo. The other one was
Yeah.
a little bit finicky at times.
So.
You're just gonna have to show me like to turn it on.
Oh, yeah, we're backwards.
Very good.
Yeah, those are good.
Are they?
It's on.
There she goes. Alright, we should be getting live feed too.
The little red light's on.
Yep, we're good. Alright, you're gonna have to push in the back. Push up in the back a little bit. No, there it is.
Just whenever I give this rifle to the back there, make sure that your screen cap is on or open, and it's your DVR, so just turn it on. You'll feel it. It'll do like two of the, like a phone
Just
vibrate.
like
bzz, bzz.
push on it. Just click
It's
it.
got an on switch,
Oh, okay.
and then you're good to record.
Sweet.
And I don't know which one of y'all would probably want to use this rifle, but this is an AKM Saiga 7.62x39. It's also got a thermal up on there. I'm gonna turn it on, just leave it on, and then that way y'all can use it. But have y'all ever shot an AK before?
I forget what we had. Is that what we had last time?
That was an AR. This is an
then no.
AK. It's got the safety right here, and
Which way's safe and which way's off?
when it's up, it's on safe. When it's down, it's off safe.
Okay, because it keeps it from coming backwards.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And 30 rounds in the magazine, and should just be go until it's empty. That's
Cow. That's not a cow. That's not a cow.
that.
Deer.
Looks like a deer. I see.
Yeah, it's a
Legs are pretty tall.
Yeah, I see something right there.
Yeah, it looks like it's a deer grabbing away. Deer bedded. More deer bedded.
What's out there? What they
Peanuts.
Peanuts. Eating on the leaves.
That looks like a pig. If it's hay, could be caught.
It's looking like a pig.
big one.
Okay, good size.
Yeah, it looks big.
That one.
So how far is that? Is that 100 yards?
No, that's more like 3, 4,
3?
500 maybe. It's very hard to
Right.
judge thermal distances.
That's why all the military guys, when they first take their, that's why they wreck so many Hummers. They're
can't judge.
They can't judge distance.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
No doubt, that's a pig. Okay. So this is gonna get a little tricky. Him to the right.
Is there more?
No, there's deer. Look.
Oh, I see them.
Okay, so whenever you hit the gun, you're gonna see there's deer right
Yep,
here.
4 of
Keep
them?
on going. Yeah, those are those. And there's a pack of 4 bucks right here.
Okay, I see them.
Okay, so what we're gonna try to do, we're gonna try to shoot them east, straight that way. And I don't know how far I'll be able to drive
Okay.
because there's no wind and it's dead cold. So
Otherwise, we pick up the deer behind him.
I
Yeah.
want to stay to where those deer never even get into frame.
Right.
Because when they get into frame, well, I mean, when they start running, no telling where they're going to go.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try to get to about 100 to 150, put it right on a front shoulder.
I see a deer. What, at 2 o'clock? Okay. I think I see him. Is he by that tree? He's right too. He's right of it. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Did I hit him?
He stopped.
Stop.
All right, put another one in.
Put another one in.
Oh, I missed. Definitely.
Again, pull it up. Jamming?
No, I got it.
Oh, right.
Freak.
Alright, hold your fire.
Okay.
Is it jamming?
No? I don't think.
Barking it every time? It should just be pulled the trigger. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
You're,
I'm not used to shooting these.
you're good. Alright, okay. Get back down.
Hang on, let me put it on safe.
I don't know what you want to do, Korbin. You tell me.
Let them choose. I mean, because not that we don't go with you, I'm going to put them in the ground blind. So, what do you want to do? You want to try somewhere tonight? You want to go to another night?
We can go another night.
Yeah, we can do it. Alright, so it's currently almost 1 a.m.
Can we show that?
Up here. Almost 1. And we only ended up seeing one pig, and I just missed it. A lot of things were going on.
It was pretty far off too.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna make any excuses, but either way, we only saw one, so not super productive. But we saw a lot of other wildlife, like deer, rabbits, and porcupines, coyotes, which was pretty cool. So I think we're just gonna kind of chill in the morning tomorrow because it's so hot during the days. So we're gonna just chill and then maybe do some shop stuff, go hunt in the evening, and then either tomorrow night or the night after we're gonna do thermals again. So we'll see, but it was fun, and yeah, hopefully we can get on some pigs and other fun stuff. So see you tomorrow.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Excuse me. Where do you think you're going? Come back here. I'm gonna have to. I can't run in this crap.
What's up, gangs?
Not much. I didn't know
We're
what.
gonna do some stuff. We probably want to be able to move to the back of the shop, but the front's lights off. Here are the YouTube.
In the first line. Who's going in the first line? Oh gosh.
Alright, so we are doing our first sit with the bow tonight. We're in this blind that Korbin put out for us like a week ago. Got a feeder right here behind this bush. I'm gonna check for some tracks. It's evening now, so they should be coming in through here. You can see all the corn. Bunch of cows have been in here, so it's kind of hard to see any pig tracks. Anyway, we'll get out of here, go sit. Hopefully they show up. Our wind is pretty good. It's kind of going this way. And he said they're supposed to come from straight ahead. Honestly, we'll probably hear them. Yeah, we see them. Yeah, I agree. I agree. See up there? Yeah, that's perfect, that one. Perfect. Okay. Be good. 8:32 is sunset. What time is it now? It's 7:49.
So I haven't hunted in a while. That's been like probably like 2 months.
So, did you get introduced?
I have not. I'm Heinrich Peters.
Kaitlyn Moss, nice to meet you.
Caitlin. Oh, I don't know.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I'm Brittany.
Heinrich. And
Sorry, I haven't really
been a little
thought
while, but hopefully we'll find some tonight.
You don't mind if we film it?
No. Okay. No. I'm not, probably not the slickest guy on the camera, but I'll see what I can do.
You're fine.
Hey, did you bring your pistol with the suppressor too?
I did.
So if we get on something, they can.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we got it. Got the batteries, everything linked up. So I think we're good to go. Let me get this guy and stuff. Alrighty.
Gonna have to.
How's the gain? Pretty decent? I think so.
We'll work with it for a little bit. See what it does.
It's like a video game.
Left. It's running like Badger. I'm pretty sure it's Badger. Yeah, it's Badger.
Low to the ground.
Gotta get closer.
There you go.
There it is. Stop. Hi.
Is it loaded still?
Yeah.
Nope.
Hold it. There you go.
Can't.
The racket there,
Let's run down there. Let's run down there.
Yeah, we can get a little floated though.
Get him.
There's a mean looking thing.
I don't know why I thought they were bigger.
They are.
I can keep up with you. You got
He
long
looked like
legs.
he had something in him right here.
He got shot 3 times. Boom, boom, and then in the front shoulder.
He actually was, in the back, he was running funny up here when you got close to him. I think you had hit him back here.
I have no idea.
Right back here.
He's gotten tore up. Might be mating time.
Yeah. They're pretty. If you actually look at their faces. Oh, y'all have badgers, I know. They're pretty.
I've never seen one up close. Yeah,
They actually have pretty pelt to them.
they were pretty.
Thing is not centering. Look to the right. Hold on. I think I just seen him.
I see him. He's running to the left.
Okay. We can cut him off.
He's just so tiny. I don't think I'll hit him.
That's okay. Don't shoot yet.
He's moving left though, for sure.
Yeah, I see him. Okay. We're just gonna let him keep on going that direction. Okay, keep on driving. Slowly drive.
Yeah, he's right.
Slowly drive.
He's over like 2 o'clock.
Korbin, about what o'clock is he at?
He's like at 2. He's right here.
Okay.
No, he's about 300. Stop. Kaitlyn, you see him? He's to our right. He's to our right. He's looking at us. Stand there looking at us. To our right. Hit him. Over. Keep.
A little bit higher, a little bit higher. Lead a little bit more.
Hit.
Come on, you got him. You got him.
Hit him one more time.
Hey, lead him about
There you go. He got
one
hit again.
peg length.
She hit him like 5.
Yeah.
Your gun is smoking my eyeball out.
Oh, sorry.
I can't see.
You shot him several times.
Yeah, I hit him. I could hear it.
Back up and see him. You did good.
Oh, that was intense. That was so awesome. You gotta do this. That was so
Kaitlyn
awesome.
shot him. She was smoking him.
I could hear when it would hit. I saw it hit him. You could? I got it on film. Sweet. That was awesome. Oh, shoot. Okay, so we put a couple bullets in this pig and he kept going. So we're gonna go after him. Okay. pushing it.
Oh, God. What a deal.
So we're gonna back out?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go find another one.
They're out.